Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Untitled Chapter, and if you don't know me already, why don't you get to know me on all my social medias? They should be up here or up here. They're on Untitled Chapter with an exception of one TikTok called Making It Up 19. You can all check those out in the description box down below, and they'll all be there for you to find. Yeah, join the growing family. So in today's video, I got a new microphone, by the way. Do you guys like it? You can probably hear me a lot better, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you a flawless makeup routine, quick, easy. It's a little bit different from the drugstore one because it's a lot, like, I don't know how to explain it, like vibrant almost, I could say. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you for more videos in the future. So yeah, let's get straight into the video, guys. I was gonna do a voiceover. Hold on. Okay guys, I was actually gonna voice over this video, but I thought, why not like just explain to you guys what I'm doing. So right now, I did put primer on already. I used the NYX one. It's just finished, so I put it in the bin, so I cannot tell you what it is. But I use this brow gel. It's the Bourget Paris brow gel. I'm just gonna put that on my eyebrows, a little bit on my eyebrows, making sure to comb it through so it actually gets all the product in it, and then the same on the other eyebrow. My eyebrows don't take that long, purely because I use brow gels now. I think soap brow is a lot similar to this. If you haven't heard of soap brow, literally go look it up, it's amazing. Okay guys, then I go in with my second brow gel, which is this one from CYO. These are all really affordable brands as well, so I love using them. Okay, whilst the brow gel dries, I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm gonna go under my eyes just to color correct. So I went in with the LA Pro Girl concealer. I'm just literally dabbing that into my skin. I go in with the red one. I don't know why, it just works best with my skin. This isn't for everyone. I know there's specific colors you're supposed to use, but this was the one that I like to use the most. Okay guys, I will then go in with my LA Girl Pro concealer. Oopsie daisy. And this is almost gone. I always go through these so fast because they're like my go-to. But I will then go in under my eyes just to give them a color lift and to hide all that red. And some people use green. It's up to you what goes best with your skin. So I'm going to go in with the same brush I used to blend before and just blend all of this in. Guys, I usually go in with a wet beauty blender, just to soak up and make it look sleek. I find that brushes are really good. I usually work with brushes a lot more, but anyway, now that this is all pretty much blended into my skin, so I'm gonna go in with my Boris Paris, I'm probably saying this wrong, but Boris Paris Anti-Aging Fatigue Anti-Rix concealer. I'm gonna go with the lighter one. This is my lighter concealer. I'm gonna go in with the lighter one at the bottom, so here. And then guys, I just go in with my brush, my blending brush. Don't mind this, it's a bit of a mess, but I'm gonna go in under my eyes and blend all of this in like so. And then I'm gonna grab my little bit darker concealer from LA Pro Girl, which I'm obsessed with, and do the same on the top. I really like eyebrows because you can kind of choose how thick or thin you want to go, and it's always a gamble, so it's quite fun. Okay guys, now I've got the outline of my eyebrows. I'm going to blend the same way I did with the bottom. But this is the general idea of my eyebrows right now. I'm going to do my foundation, and I use the the same brand as the concealer, Boris Paris, and this is the Healthy Mix foundation, anti-fatigue foundation. It lasts 16 hours, which is quite good. I'm only using a few pumps of foundation. This one's a little bit darker than me. It just allows me to use a lot more concealer, which I usually do anyway. And then I'm going to use my brush to kind of blend it all out like before. Make sure to always go in on your neck so that you have the same shades. But look how this foundation makes me glow. I love it. And it's quite full coverage as well, which I also enjoy. I will go in with the dry beauty blender and just go all over my face and blend it all out into my eyebrows also, so that you don't have like a weird line underneath your eyebrow. Okay, now that the base is done, this is when it gets real. So this is when I go in with 3 concealers, this and the Florence one, which I already showed you these two, but this I use as well. The Florence by Mills See You Never concealer, and it's so beautiful. So I start off with the LA Pro Girl concealer, and I put that one first under my eyes, like so. Okay guys, I put it on like so, and I will go in with my handy dandy brush and just blend this out. Okay guys, now that's all blended out, I'm gonna go again with my Florence concealer under my eyes and in the same places. Okay guys, I'm just going in and blending. Okay guys, I went in with my Infinite Undefined concealer from Revolution. I've had this for so long and I love it. I need to stock up again, but I'm just blending all of the concealer that I did in just for my contour. I love doing nose contour. I can't live without it. But yeah, these are all the places I put it. I'm just gonna blend this out. Okay guys, I've just gone in with my concealer again on top. So I have this very beautiful basis that I'm building. So yeah, I'm just blending this out now. Okay guys, now I have my beauty blender and I'm just blending this all out to have like a beautiful finish at the end. Okay guys, I'm now gonna go in with my Revolution baking powder in beige under my eyes and all the areas that I concealed. And I also don't bake in the sense of leaving it on because it whitens me and I don't like that. I'll go in with a smaller brush and do it on my nose like so. Another brush like this, I'll go in with this brush and just get rid of any excess powder that I have anywhere. Making sure it's clean and crisp everywhere. Okay guys, to contour, I'm going in with this Sleek palette. I've had this for ages. It's Sleek Makeup. It's just got the darker one. And I'm going to go in and kind of go over where I put my line for contour. And then with the handy dandy brush that I use for pretty much everything, I'm going to blend that in. Okay guys, now I'm going in with my Collection Blush and Glow palette. I've had this for ages again, and I'm just going to go in with both of the bottom colours like so and do my blush like this. I will go in with a tinier brush and just go here next to my nose. And just to finish off with, I'm going to go in with my highlight from this palette as well, and just lightly go in, letting it sink in, not doing too much of highlight, because I want to glow, not shine. I want to glow. So I'm just doing that in all the areas that I want highlighting. I'm now going in with this highlighter, more of a shimmer one. So I'm going to go in the same places like this, giving me like a golden highlight, because I do love a golden highlight over a silver one. So like so. I do it on my head, to my forehead, and above my lip like this. And then last but not least, I use my Fixing Lasting setting spray. Put this everywhere. Whew, need a breath. And I need to let this set, so I'll be back to put my eyelashes on. Okay guys, ignore the jumper. I did get makeup on it when I was putting it on, whatever. But I've got these eyelash extensions from Tonya London collection. These eyelashes are amazing. I'm just going to put these on with some girllll eyelash glue. Okay guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know, but I'm in love with it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, I'll be with you in the next video. Bye guys!